everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the SoundAsleep Dream Series air mattress. I did purchase this product myself, and any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. You can see the retail box and packaging right here with our product information. So we have a queen size air mattress. This is available in twin, twin XL, full, queen, and king sizes. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the contents. Here are all the contents. First up, you can see we have our product literature walking us through how to inflate and deflate the mattress, as well as important safety information. You can also see we have another card walking us through how to repair our air mattress, and they include a patching kit for us. Next, you can see we have our SoundAsleep travel and storage bag. And lastly, we have the air mattress itself folded up with the tag on it, with the QR code, and their customer service and contact information if you ever have any questions. Now let's go ahead, let's inflate the mattress. All right, so check it out. You can see we have our fully inflated queen air mattress right here. It took 3 minutes to inflate. We have it fully inflated. Depending on the firmness desired, it would obviously take less time if you don't want the air mattress as full. This mattress is also available in twin, twin XL, full, and king sizes. Now that we have the mattress inflated, check it out from the pump side. You can see our pumps built right into the mattress. We have our deflate, our off, and our inflate settings. We also have our integrated power cord. That's around, I would say, 3 feet in length. And you can see the storage that we have for the cord off to the right of the pump. On the left side of the pump, you can see our step-by-step inflation instructions and our deflation instructions. And they also have their customer support information directly on the air mattress. Here's a close-up of the cord storage. Really nice. You can blow it up at a wall outlet, then easily move it around without having to worry about the cord sticking out. Pay attention to the placement of the cord and the pump. It's very slim, so it's not sticking out. So you could get this up and close to a wall if that's what you prefer. So I really like the design of this air mattress, from the pump integration to the power cable storage. Up at the top of the air mattress, the sleeping surface, you can see we have a nice blue surface that kind of has a velvety touch and feel to it with our built-in support right here. And again, if this is too firm for you, don't forget it's really easy just to deflate the mattress a little bit to get it to the desired firmness that you prefer to sleep on. On the side of the air mattress, you can see we have our two-tone color scheme and pattern. So blue up top, we have our white on the sides with our SoundAsleep logo and branding also in blue. Now you can see the mattress from the other side. So we have the pump at the head of the bed, if you want to call it that. And then this is going to be the foot of the bed. You can see what that side looks like. And now we can see the other side. Again, we have the SoundAsleep logo and branding on it, and that's it. And lastly, you can see the bottom of the air mattress right here. So check it out. You can see the side that's going to be on the ground, giving you your support. So now you can see I'm on the air mattress right here. It's doing a great job supporting me. So check this out. I can sit up right here, and you can see it does a really good job. There's not as much give as you would expect. We'd have no issues at all with 2 adults on this queen air mattress or anything like that. So overall, it's good enough. No air mattress is ever going to be a substitute for an actual bed, at least in my opinion, comfort-wise. But this is a nice, solid, and affordable choice if you're looking for an air mattress, available in multiple sizes to fit your needs. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget, new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.